When you've sold 90 million comic books, it's pretty certain that almost everyone in India has read about the timeless heroic tales of mighty Indian gods and the misadventures of Supandi and Shikari Shambhu. But today, when it comes to entertainment, children are spoilt for choice. Yet, in this competitive space, Amar Chitrakatha has still managed to keep up. Uncle Pai, who created the brand, is no more. But he has been immortalized as a comic book himself, while his works are recreated by computer graphic artists who are also reinventing Amar Chitrakatha in the form of movies and games. Credit goes to Samir Patil and Shripal Morakhia, who in 2007 bought over the crumbling brand from its parent company India Book House. Along with Amar Chitrakatha, they reincorporated its sister brands like Tinkle, Karate Tales and Brainwave under a new company called ACK Media. But by 2010, the founders saw it fit to sell the company to retail baron Kishore Biani. After successive buys, Kishore Biani's venture capital firm Future Ventures finally took over control, holding a 66% stake in 2011. Elephant Capital also joined the board with a 26% stake. While its transition to enter new mediums has been far slower compared to global brands like Marvel and DC Comics, ACK Media is taking baby steps to secure its future nonetheless. VC Circle caught up with the man in charge, its CEO Vijay Sampath, to talk about the company's restructuring and its ventures into the mobile, movie and media space.
So in the first phase of acquisition, the publishing brands Amar Chitrakatha and Tinkle were acquired from its erstwhile owners into a holding company called Amar Chitrakatha Private Limited. ACK Media is a corporate brand name, whereas the holding company is called Amar Chitrakatha Private Limited. In the very first, shall we say, phase of our reinvention, the idea was to revive Amar Chitrakatha first.
Okay.
Amar Chitrakatha, the comic book, was dormant for many years. No new titles had been created. The old titles were being reprinted and published in the marketplace. So the first phase was to restart publishing of Amar Chitrakatha with a clear mandate to take it back to its old glory.
Okay.
So the investors and the management first put in effort to recreate the Amar Chitrakatha studio, which was set up in Bangalore.
Okay.
And a new stream of comic books started getting created from that point onwards.
Okay. Give us an idea as to what are the verticals of the company today? So what is the revenue stream looking like today for Amar Chitrakatha?
So today's revenue stream primarily comes from publishing.
Okay.
To be more specific, it comes from the publishing side. Amar Chitrakatha has the publishing side of Amar Chitrakatha has two businesses. One is it produces content through its brands Amar Chitrakatha, Tinkle and Karadi Tales and Brainwave. The other is a distribution business called India Book House.
Okay.
So if we keep aside the distribution business, as far as the publishing business goes, almost all the revenues currently come from the publishing business,
Okay.
either through physical sales or through
You
retail.
were saying it is a 90% versus a 10%.
Yeah, almost all of it is what I meant. So
Okay.
there is a small percentage which is now growing, which comes from television, film, digital media, which constitutes approximately 10% of the sales of the
Okay.
business. The flow is actually built on brands. Amar Chitrakatha, Tinkle, each of them represent a certain storytelling format and a storytelling idiom.
Okay.
Now those stories can take different forms. So the verticals are based on forms. So there is a content team which creates content for the core product, which today is a comic book. Then various verticals look at it. So that the television vertical looks at it and says, can I create something from it or based on that story or that character. Similarly, the publishing vertical looks at it and prints comics and books out of it. So at first there is a story which takes a form, and then the form is taken to market in different businesses. It's not licensed to anyone. All these verticals are run by us.
Okay.
So whatever we produce, we sell, and all of it is inside one company only. There are no different companies. IBH India Book House is our sole distributor. So we sell all our, we print comics and books and sell it to India Book House, who in turn retails it in the market.
Could you please tell us what is the sales graph been like for Amar Chitrakatha? How many comics are you all selling today? What is the publishing graph really looking like?
So like I said, we are selling we're selling 30-40% growth year on year in our core business, and we sell about 4 to 5 lakh copies of Amar Chitra Katha. We sell about 2.5 lakh copies of the Tinkle brand
Okay.
every month.
How are you all surviving in a market in which entertainment for children today is on several mediums? There are TV channels, there are movies. How does Amar Chitra Katha play in that? You all have come about with a lot of partnerships, but what is the objective of such partnerships?
So the objective, it comes back to who we are. We are a storytelling company. Our aim is to tell stories from the genres that we have created. So these stories can be told through multiple forms. The traditional form was print and comic books. The new form is to have a multimedia 360-degree engagement with the customer or the reader. So as we go ahead, we are creating engagement points through gaming, through television, through film,
Okay.
and other forms, mobile and so on, all of which can create a wholesome experience for the consumer who can engage with our stories in multiple ways.
Okay. You even came out with two movies. One was Sons of Ram, and the other one was Tripura.
Right.
What is the performance of a movie like that? How much money do you put in? Or what is the budget like to create something? And what is the appreciation for that?
See, both these movies shall we say, first steps for us in understanding the film and entertainment business, and look at what potential it has and what kind of future we can create with that. So, Tripura was a pure play television film. It was made
Okay.
for TV, and it was, the for Cartoon Network as it stands. So that project has recovered its budget, and it's a very small budget.
But are you seeing a healthy appreciation for such projects?
Uh, uh, from the consumer's point of view, the demand always exists.
Okay.
So it is how well you present it and how successfully you market it to the consumer, and they start appreciating and building a culture. The culture for animation movies in India is still not strong.
Okay.
It is a very nascent market. In fact, it is this year and a half that there has been a lot of progress in terms of companies and content providers coming out with stories.
Are you looking for a tie-up with a company like Walt Disney or Pixar in India to create or really take this brand and unlock the value?
Our interest is really in partnering with organizations who can create a marketplace for us.
Okay.
From the content point of view, we are quite strong. From the production point of view, we know what to do, and we already partner with the best practice players.
Okay.
Like our Sons of Ram movie was animated in Malaysia.
Okay.
And we are always talking to all the best animation providers in the country in the animation space.
Okay.
So our interest would be in partnering with companies who can create a marketplace and successfully exhibit or reach the customer and the audience with the product.
Okay. Now, Future Ventures has been your majority stakeholder, and really they've been very vocal about Amar Chitra Katha. They want to take it into
Right.
different forms. They
Yes.
want to merchandise the product and bring a
Yes.
brand identity.
Yes.
What or how much of those ideas are really now rolled out?
So we have actually been successfully exploring opportunities with Future Ventures through the Future Group over the last 2 years. We did a large retail campaign with them last year in Big Bazaars, where the products were introduced and made available to consumers. This year, when we launched Sons of Ram, we had a huge merchandising program with the Tasty Treat brand of Future Group,
Okay.
which is a private label brand, which was available in a lot of food bazaars. Uh, we have an ongoing discussion to merchandise some of our characters in various forms, and over the coming year and next year, slowly those will start being expressed in the form of products available in the market.
Going forward, what are the kind of targets that you'll have set for yourselves? So
See,
by FY13, what are the targets that you can see?
Our first target is to reach a triple digit number.
Okay. So by when can
But
we see
we are
that?
not fixated on the top line. We
Okay.
are fixated on creating value.
Okay.
And our efforts are in making sure each of our businesses are profitable, and we are also able to invest in the future businesses. And
Okay.
it's really the future businesses that we are focused on, not on
So have you set a goal for yourself to when you'll reach that triple figure?
we want to reach it in the next financial year or two.
Okay. So that would be then you'd really increase your rate of growth, because I think right now you're growing at what, 20 to 30%.
Yeah, we are growing at that. We are looking at a lot of new growth
Yeah.
coming from new businesses such as film entertainment, television, digital, where the delta is much higher.
Okay.
And the opportunities are also good.
You were telling me before about how the digital space to be a revenue or a new market creation that you all will be in.
Right.
Just give us a little idea of what is that space going to be like.
So, what we are essentially focusing on is to migrate and to take forward the comic reading experience at one level into the app space, for which we are creating our app stores. The Amar Chitrakatha app store is the first one which we will launch by the end of this year. And then we will have the Tinkle app store and the National Geographic app store and the Brainwave app store. So the app portfolio in itself will form the basis of a new uh, uh, content experience for a generation of readers who are using tablets or
Okay.
mobile devices to consume their content. That is one aspect of the digital space. The other aspect of our digital space is we are looking also at other forms of content, like gaming is
Okay.
another big, shall we say, investment and
Who will you
focus.
partner with on all these?
On the digital space, we are looking at partnering with, again, either a strong technology company which can
Okay.
provide us a technology backbone, which can be long lasting, because the risk in digital is you have to put in a lot of money, and then that technology needs to be updated and alive for a long period of time. The other partnership we would seek is somebody who has a very strong global go-to-market capability, because in the digital space, we may be an Indic brand coming from India, but a lot of our content is relevant to people outside India.
Yeah.
And therefore, we are also looking now at creating content which has uh, a global feel and a global capability to sell.
Okay. Do you all have a game plan for what is the global footprint going to look like?
Uh, we want to take it step by step. We first want to launch our product, study how the market reacts to it. As you know, the app space is extremely crowded, and
Okay.
discovery of a product is very difficult there. And again, there you need to create brands, because in the app space, it's very easy for you to make a overnight success and then lose value. So we want to understand it, and the investments there in reaching the customer are very high. Customer acquisition costs are enormously challenging. So we'll understand all that and then decide what our strategy should be. So we don't want to put a strategy before the discovery.
Okay. Um, you all are very cash rich at this moment because of the investors putting in money. Where are we going to see the deployment of those funds?
The deployment of those funds are in building these new businesses in the digital space. Also in our legacy space, we are still growing enormously, and there are big chunks of new opportunities which we are exploring. Like we're making a very large foray in the Hindi uh, language
Okay.
belt, where there is a vast growth happening in the country. Similarly, we have a lot of investment going into our global distribution capabilities, where there is a lot of demand from a many parts of the world. And then there's film and television entertainment, which again requires a fairly significant investment to work forward in the future.
Are there any new movies in the pipeline?
Yeah, we have a slate of 3 animated and 3 live-action movies, which are in various stages of production and
Okay.
concept. One of each are already in the pre-production stage. If you were to ask me, what, 10 years from now, what should we be? I would say 1 year from now, we should be in a position to achieve what we want to be 10 years from now. And
Okay.
10 years from now, what do we want to be? We want to continue to be India's favorite storyteller.
Okay.
And that is the focus. The everything else, financial reward is an outcome of how well we are able to continue being and grow the feeling that we are India's favorite storyteller.
All right. On that note, Vijay Sampath, thank you for talking to me.
Thank you very much.